Hello everyone, and welcome to this video series on creating a children's book for Kindle. Join me, your host Genevieve, as I show you the process of writing this book, Alicia's Birthday Blues, that was written and illustrated by Christopher Becker. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to create your own children's book, from choosing a topic to publishing your book. And if you find this series helpful, be sure to leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. So, let's get started. In this episode, we'll be exploring how to storyboard our children's book using our words to create images. By the end, we'll have an organized outline of how our book will look and the illustrations we want. After finalizing your script the way you want it, grab a notebook and pen. You'll want to start by breaking your book down into individual pages. Write the page number at the top of each page, and then jot down a brief description of what will happen on that page. Next, open up your favorite word processor or writing software. For each page, write out the text that will accompany the illustrations. Be sure to use descriptive language that will help you illustrate and visualize the scene. As you're writing, try to think about the composition of each page. Will the illustration take up the entire page, or just part of it? Where will the text be placed? Jot down any notes you have about the layout. Use your notes and text to create rough sketch ideas of what you want each page to look like. Don't worry about making them perfect. These are just to give you an idea of the overall layout and composition. So now it's time for the real fun to begin. In our next episode, you get to learn about all the really cool stuff which makes this project fun. We are going to learn how to illustrate our children's book with Midjourney. Thank you for joining me again, as we further our knowledge of how to write a children's book for Kindle. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next installment. Looking forward to seeing you again. Take care and all the best.